What's kicking, Shark Mouth Squad? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Wrapsesh. This week we are showcasing a brand new product launch that we did in collaboration with Tri-Edge Tools over in Brazil.
Brazil?
I think.
Yeah?
We've been working with Jay for the better part of nearly 2 years, working on these prototypes and testing with him, and he's just been so amazing to work with. So without further ado, we are extremely excited to announce the launch of the Switch cards. Tri-Edge Switch cards with Wrapsesh.
Yeah.
They got the solid seal of approval.
They did. They got the sauce.
They got the sauce. We got the sauce here. So I'm gonna tell you guys why these Switch cards are so awesome, these squeegees. Number one, you can use them wet or dry. So that means vinyl, PPF, as well as window tint. These work great for all those different areas of install. You can do it wet or dry, like I said. The suede sleeves, actually, the adhesive works well wet, so you don't have any issues with it falling off. But the coolest part about these Switch cards is they're super versatile and you can custom make them to your own suiting.
They switch?
They switch around. They switch things and stuff. So this is actually a two-piece squeegee, and you can disassemble them, slide them apart, and put them with any kind of combination that you want. And this isn't even the full line right here, but I believe there's just about 140 different tool variations you can make for your Switch card. So really cool stuff. Mike's gonna start pulling one apart now so you can kind of see what we're talking about. But to summarize, we have 4 different heads. So we have the V top, kind of an interesting squeegee head. Yeah. I haven't ever had one like this, but it works really well for doing like triangles and kind of preventing wrinkles, like a bottle cap coming up.
It does have its uses, definitely. It's not something I use every day, but it does have very unique uses.
Yeah, definitely. So we'll show some of this one in action.
Yeah, I actually like that one.
Next we have the D's.
I like this one.
This nice little shape right here. We love this one for multiple uses. Mike's probably favorite use is for PPF, doing handle cups.
Door cups, any kind of like rounded curve that I have to hit, shape. You can just push that in there and
right. Yeah. And you can use this. Do you usually use this without a suede for clear bra? Kind of depends.
It depends. Yeah. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I actually have one with it on and with it off. Right.
Next shape is going to be the 4s. This is the wider angle squeegee, so this isn't actually like a 90-degree angle. It goes in, comes out a little bit.
Which is nice getting into more corners. You can actually, without having that flat, rather than a flat edge, it actually has a little bit of an angle there.
Definitely. And then you'll see number 3 is the top part right here. So instead of being 90, it comes in. I
probably use this one the most.
Yeah, I like this one
not this color exactly, but the shape. I like this one.
Definitely. So you have the 4 shapes, right? And then you have all these different colors. So you actually see on the box right here, this is for the number 3. If you go from left to right, it's gonna show softness to hardness for the squeegee. So every color, yeah, it's super fun and bright, but there's a reason behind it. It's gonna reflect the different shore or the durometer, AKA the flexibility of the Switch card. So you guys can see on the box for each shape, they're gonna tell you from softest to hardest for the color code.
Yeah, so this one is dark blue, so it's the softest.
Yeah.
So this one, nice and flexy.
It's really flexible, which is really good for the PPF and doing like color change installs. I typically like the softer squeegee.
Yeah, but then you can also put it with a harder squeegee and you still get that soft edge, but it kind of stiffens it up a bit.
Yeah.
So but then you have, see that? You have 2 different squeegees in one.
Right. And then in comparison, here's one of the harder squeegees of the V card. Doesn't have a lot of flex to it.
Yeah. They're pretty awesome. They're the fact that you can change them up and put them with different styles, it's definitely you got options.
You got a lot of options because you can custom pick the flexibility of the squeegee and the different heads that you want on your 2-sided squeegee. So really cool Switch cards. Here's another example. Ooh, that one's pretty hard.
That's the hardest one.
Where's the softest one?
Oh wait, the green. This is the hardest. That's the hardest one.
Oh yeah, that's hard.
Yeah.
That's hard. The screws, you just use a flathead. I guess it's not a screw, whatever. You use a little flathead for that. And what I really like about these is they're actually super flat.
Yeah.
So you don't actually have to worry about this like
scratching anything.
Scratching the car or your wrap or anything. It literally is like
they're
totally
super flat, yeah. They use a very good head there.
So all of the Suedes are also going to be custom cut to fit each Switch card head. You get one of them in each box, but you can also order replacements as you need them. Once again, these work well wet or dry. You don't have to worry about it with that adhesive. So this one goes with this one right here.
Yeah, I've had some adhesives fall off when I get the squeegee wet.
Yeah, these are meant to go both ways.
Yeah.
So this one goes here with this little funky guy. And then we've got the longer ones and the shorts.
For the 4s and 3s.
Things and stuff.
Yep.
If you guys want to get your hands on these tri-edge switch cards, we will post a link in the description that takes you to our website to get these, as well as the Wrapsesh bundle packs. Bundles. Please be sure to give us some feedback in the comments on the cards. If you guys try them out, we'd love to hear what you think of them. And yeah. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Wrapsesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and describe.
Thank you. Make sure you describe.
Describe things. Subscribe and stuff. We'll see you later. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.